हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले काफ़ी कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक आई न्यूरॉन मशीन लर्निंग डेटा साइंस काफ़ी कुछ अमेजिंग कोर्सेज का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है। बेसिकली इसके बारे में ऑलरेडी काफ़ी कुछ वीडियोस बना चुका हूँ, काफ़ी कुछ रिव्यूज़ भी कर चुका हूँ। बेसिकली दिस वीडियो इज नॉट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रमोशनल कंटेंट। आई genuinely take one of their course for brushing up my skills, and I feel really one of the best place to brush up all your skills, getting also a great job into data science, machine learning, front end, back end, AI, blockchain, whatever you want. And at the same time, I felt because it's a blessed space, having all sort of good parts and all sort of great content. The people who are the experts in industries, as you can see here, tech avengers, the top YouTubers, you already know you guys, and काफ़ी कुछ interesting topics, well planned and a well executable curriculum है इन हमारे पास, जो कहीं नहीं मिलेगा in my point of view, because there are a lot of courses in outside, 3,000, 2,500, 20,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. कभी it's more than worth of college degree which you spend 10 to 15 lakhs for 4 years. Really, it's not any sort of promotional content, because I personally take one of their course for brushing up myself, as I said before. At the same time, I have also gone through their whole process and also reviewed some of the students who also taken the particular course. And because in my case, I get a lot of students to getting internships, building great LinkedIn profiles, building their resume, and guiding them to like selecting a best course in sort of data science machine learning, because I am good at that part, because I am not good at front end, back end, this sort of stuff, but I am good at research, machine learning, AI stuff. And before further proceeding, if you haven't checked out my latest book, which is iNeuron, it's a basically science fictional book. It's a Jition and Digress. It's available in the Amazon, and it's also ranked as bestseller by Amazon. And if you haven't checked it out, check out the link is in the description. Also, it was in the link in my Instagram bio. Check out it and try it once, yaar. Okay, let's get back to it. So basically iNeuron, इसमें काफ़ी कुछ different sort of courses है, which is a kind of some courses which will also help you to get job. Until job, they will help you to get into the respective field. And I also got a different sort of messages through LinkedIn, Instagram. Bro, is this helpful to us to getting job? Or is this course is helpful to us for getting it, like will it guarantee us? See guys, no one will guarantee you unless until you put the efforts. कोई भी नहीं लिख के दे सकता, मतलब अगर आपने खुद ही नहीं पढ़े, इफ़ यू हैवंट डेवलप्ड yourself, if you haven't have any sort of motivation from your inside to start the things, to learn the new things, no one can help you to get the job, even it is a 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, any sort of top university, until unless you start, until unless you learn the things from your point of view, and until unless you practice the things until you got understanding, you will be in the same point where you start. So फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप पहला खुद मोटिवेट कीजिए, अपना खुद पर्सनालिटी चेंज करिए, वेयर यू कैन हैव इंटरेस्ट एंड वेयर यू शुड हैव इंटरेस्ट टू लर्न अ न्यू स्टफ, देन यू शुड कम दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ कोर्सेज. एंड या अगर हम देखें तो देर आर फुल स्टैक डेटा साइंस बोर्ड कैम्प विच इज़ 17,700, विच इज़ एंड फुल स्टैक डेटा साइंस 17,700, एंड विच हेल्प्स टू टिल जॉब आने के लिए. दे विल हेल्प यू कंप्लीट गेट जो भी होना सारे लाइव क्लासेस के जरिए यू विल बी गेट गाइडेड. एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव ए kind of recorded session if you miss the live. It's a great thing. And in my case, I have taken this particular course, as I said before, machine learning and deep learning master, because मैंने इसलिए ये course लिया basically the point number one, because मैंने कभी जब if I want to do any sort of projects, if I want to do any sort of real world tech projects, मुझे थोड़े points पे brush up करना चाहिए. Obviously go to YouTube, but I haven't feel that much comfortable. I need to different sort of videos, but I need a good, well understandable videos which will help me to like what I say, like spoon feeding. I definitely need it. So I feel this particular course is really grateful, because जब भी मुझे ये particular topic पे such as if you take a पाइथन पे कुछ टॉपिक पे डाउट है, आई विल गो द रेस्पेक्टिव कोर्स विच इज़ ए लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस. आई विल गो एंड आई विल गो थ्रू द वीडियोस एंड आई विल हैव ए ग्लांस एंड आई विल स्टार्ट द वर्किंग अपॉन इट. इफ यू गो टू दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्सेज curriculum, they will help you to from scratch Python, from Python basics to till machine learning or deep learning complex algorithms and implementing in real world projects. They will completely guiding you, and also they will guide you different sort of new industry level tools like Tableau, Power BI. These tools are like, believe me guys, I'm presently working with different sort of multiple international clients on guiding them as a data science consultant and different sort of stuff. Power BI, Tableau is really very helpful, because these two tools are helpful to on visualizing the data, getting familiar with the data, and getting like building the great presentations for a client's requirement. So don't neglect these two tools, Power BI, Tabula. Obviously you will use either one. You should learn differently, because those two, if you learn Tabula, the Power BI will also quite easy. It doesn't have that much complexity, and later they have a lot of doubt clearing sessions and live projects, resume building, interview preparation, regular assessment, job alerts, काफी कुछ था which can't be helpful even your college person. Believe me guys, like you spend 10 to 15 lakhs in your college academics, and you will getting at the end, like if you like just imagine, while in 4th year you will start learning Python. Like obviously there are 10 to 20% students who will start learning from first year, but 80% students will start learning Python full-fledgedly on 4th to semester, like before 2 to 3 months before placements. And some people will start learning Python before 1 month of placements. There are a lot of scenarios. I personally go through them also. And obviously, because in my university and in my curriculum, I have most subjects covered. But just imagine if you are coming from a normal engineering college, which you haven't have facility to learn all this stuff, then this is a great platform. Like they are not at all charging any sort of lakhs, crores. They are just charging 3,540. It's really like I'm not at all giving, like I'm not at all giving bad review for the amount, but it's a very sort of affordable price for every basic students. That's why it's a iNeuron affordable courses. So because 3540 is really basic amount which each and every student can afford. It's not about see, they plan the curriculum and they build the course in sort of helping every student, every sort of financial background student to help and come learn the courses. And having these strong skills, you can go and apply any sort of jobs on LinkedIn, Internshala or Glassdoor, any sort of jobs. And if you will have definitely, if you sincerely learn all the skills, you have 95% chance to get selected for the jobs and makes lakhs for months. See, if you get finished with the machine learning and deep learning masters, you can go to the respective deep learning with computer vision and advanced NLP. If you want to do masters in sort of stuff or deep learning computer vision, it's a great course. But you need to initially start with the respect to machine learning and deep learning masters, and then you need to go to the deep learning with computer vision and advanced NLP. It will help you to go through in detail. मतलब काफ़ी कुछ इन डिटेलिंग में अगर आप करिकुलम देखें तो इनिशियली व्हाट इज़ द एनएलपी एंड टेंसर फ्लो के बारे में कैसा है, कैसे इंप्लीमेंट करना, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट वर्जन्स, व्हाट इज द पाइटॉर्च, न्यूरल नेटवर्क, ऐसा काफ़ी कुछ डीप कॉन्सेप्ट्स है. इफ़ यू आर बिगिनर, डोंट स्टार्ट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स, स्टार्ट विद द मशीन लर्निंग एंड डीप लर्निंग मास्टर्स, तब जाके तुम ये कोर्स करना इफ़ यू वांट मोर डिटेल और मोर एक्सपीरियंस. गाइस मैंने काफ़ी कुछ थोड़े मैसेज भी सुना था ऑन लिंक्डइन मैसेजेस, ब्रो you are saying that this that internships karna, what is your background, what is your like what is you doing? Because I obviously got a placement as a business analyst. I am working parallelly, but I am currently working complete all projects from work from home, because I am working upon few startups on me and my team, dedicated team is there. For that I need to be at my place, my comfortable place, to managing all the stuff. So that's why I preferably choose all sort of work from home job. I'm not only doing business analyst job, but also I am handling different international clients for helping them to solving their business problem through Tabula, Power BI, like a kind of business analyst consultant, you can say that. Yeah, obviously I am earning pretty well from sitting from my home, my personal room, and I completely satisfied with that thing, making the YouTube videos, my favorite stuff, and I recently launched my new book, which I am even imagine that I am gonna write a book. There's a lot of things to achieve, but presently I am at all I am winning the enough thing from the all of the requirements and completed investment into my startups. Everything was well planned, so there is any sort of problem for me. I obviously got a lot of offers in different companies, but I need to be full time. So instead of full time, I chose mostly work from home jobs only, work from home projects, and I'm working like this and making videos, helping and guiding different sort of students in data science, machine learning startups. Not guiding in startup because I am not that at all experienced, but still I am sharing my knowledge that I am from my experience. See, I want to be frank. Instead of you are investing 10 to 15 lakhs into a bachelor degree, 3540 amount is great amount to invest into your personal career. It's not about, because I am not get any sort of commission through marketing in this particular course. I am just get enough satisfaction if people get enough guidance through my video and go through. And I am also mentioned the respective course link in the description. You should go through it, and I am not forcing you to purchase it. Go through the YouTube videos of them, because they having the top people who taught you free on Instagram, YouTube. Hitesh Chaudhary, Krishna Ayak, Naveen Reddy, Gaurav Sen, a lot of top YouTubers who already better than me, because I don't watch that much high YouTube tutorials, but definitely you guys know more than me, and different sort of high experts, because they gathered different sort of experts all at one place at iNeuron family, and they are giving a best service and best guidance and changing the way the educational things, and great thing. And there are a lot of courses, and there are also different sort of internship opportunities that they are providing, and it's a lifetime access for different courses. You can go through it, and it's a fun way, बिकॉज देर इज़ नो रिकॉर्डेड का, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है भाई तू 3000 3450 मुझे अमाउंट दे दे, मैं तुझे वीडियो लेक्चर्स दे दूंगा, तू देख ले, तेरा मार तुम्हार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इसमें है कि लाइव क्लासेस होगा, मतलब वीकेंड्स पे, वो भी कंफर्टेबल टाइम्स यार, वो भी कंफर्टेबल टाइम. अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न मोर फास्टली, देर इज ऑल्सो प्री रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस, एंड इफ यू मिस द क्लास, देर इज ऑल्सो रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस, एंड इट्स a personalized private YouTube links. You can go through it, you can watch it. If you have doubts, you can go through the doubt clearing sessions, and you can get clarified with different sort of stuff. And if you obviously there is also a chance, if you perform well, you can also be hired by iNeuron only instead of different companies. It's a great opportunity, not only in sort of courses. If you are well experienced, not experienced, enthusiastic, well interested on learning the stuff, you can be part of iNeuron and help other peers, your friends, your etc friends, to get them into the respective fields. And that's it guys, that's it for today. I hope आपको काफ़ी कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नॉलेज मिल चुका है. अगर आपको मिल चुका है गाइस, ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना, यूट्यूब जो डाल बटन है ना उसे दबाओ थोड़ा, क्या होता नहीं. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करना, और आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करना, ताकि उन लोग भी अच्छे, मतलब व्हाट से अच्छे गाइडेंस पे, अच्छे अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस पे दे कैन लर्न बेस्ट नॉलेज कंपेयर टू द अदर कोर्सेस, कंपेयर टू द बीटेक कोर्स. एंड दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. एंड मेरा लिसन बुक चेक करना मत भूलना, उसका लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल रहा हूँ, लाइक कोर्स का लिंक, मेरा लिसन बुक का लिंक, एंड ऑल्सो माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल. इफ यू हैव सॉर्ट ऑफ डाउट्स, यू कैन रीच आउट टू मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. एंड दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अंटिल देन, बाय.
For an idea, fully believed in you and me, but I couldn't release you. As much as I tried to set you free, 'cause when we were good, it was so great, fairy tale dreaming.